Hello and welcome to another video on this channel. This short video is about one point which very often comes up in different discussions about how to get rid of this little extra tiny line on bottom of the text widget. There is just a simple CSS code you can apply either to the text widget or globally to your Elementor website, which helps you to get rid of this extra space. So follow this video, and I will also link the text widget, that CSS widget, in the description of this video. So just copy it, apply it to your website, and the problem will be solved then. Okay, and now to the video. Have fun. All right, let's start. I'm here on one of my test pages I'm using for the tutorial. I have set up a container here, and within this container with a white background, I'm going to place the text editor. I'm saving this, and let's view it on the screen. And now what we see here is that the text widget is not perfectly aligned in the center horizontally within the container. And this is what we want to achieve. We want to place it exactly in the middle. So what are we going to do? Let's edit it again with Elementor. And what we're going to do is to apply a little CSS code. So there are two ways to apply the CSS code. So either I apply it here directly in the widget. I'm going to advanced custom CSS, but then it's only visible and available within that page. If I want to have it globally, I need to go into the site settings and to apply the global CSS here within the site settings section. To better view it, I will do it now in the text widget area here. I'm going to advanced, I'm go to custom CSS and just insert my code. And we see immediately here that the space has changed. So what are we doing here? We are just using the element or taking the Elementor text widget selector here. And what are we applying is a margin bottom with 0 pixel. When we now are going to look at it, I'm updating this. And let's view the page now. And then we're seeing now that the text line is exactly placed in the middle of the container. That's what we wanted to achieve. You can find the CSS code in the description of this video. If you like this video, please leave a comment and maybe subscribe to the channel so you will receive notification in case we are issuing new tutorials in future. Thank you and goodbye.